think you have to really like memorize the terms or anything like that. What you want to focus on is you want to focus on what it's saying, and it's what I literally just said. This helps you check behind yourself. So if you have, it says if f of x and d of x are polynomials where d of x is not equal to 0 and the degree of d of x is less than or equal to the degree of f of x, then there exists unique polynomials q of x and r of x such that f of x is equal to d of x times q of x plus r of x. You're probably like, what? It's what we just said. The dividend, what you're dividing, is equal to who's doing the dividing times whatever your quotient is plus the remainder. When we said that what was it? When we said that x squared plus 14, let me write here. When we said that x squared plus 14x plus 45 was equal to x plus 9 times x plus 5, the remainder was 0. So that's essentially what we're saying. We're saying that whatever's doing the being divided is going to be equal to your divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. That's what this division algorithm says. So how do you check yourself? Take the dividend, and then if you say, okay, take whatever's doing the dividing, add it to the answer, the quotient, add the remainder, and when you do all of this, you should end back up with the polynomial that you started with. That's all that means. Okay, so that's how you check yourself.